The 1962 Ford COE C-600 Cabover wasn't just a truck, it was a rolling testament to America's industrial backbone during an era of booming commerce and gritty reliability. With its distinct forward control cab design, the C-600 stood out from the crowd, offering maximum visibility, compact proportions, and unmatched maneuverability for urban and regional hauling. Powered by Ford's dependable 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine, the truck produced around 170 horsepower and roughly 280 pounds-ft of torque. Figures that may seem modest today, but were entirely sufficient for mid-duty tasks in the early 90s, coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission or an optional 5-speed for heavier duty. The C-600 offered a direct, no-nonsense driving experience that prioritized durability and mechanical simplicity. Built on a stout ladder-frame chassis, the C-600 supported various configurations, including flatbeds, box trucks, tow rigs, and even fire trucks. Its Cabover design, meaning the cab sat above the front axle, allowed for a shorter wheelbase, which in turn made it easier to navigate city streets and tight delivery zones. Compared to its rivals like the GMC 4500 Co. or the Dodge L-Series, the Ford C-600 held its own, with slightly better reliability ratings, lower maintenance costs, and a stronger dealer support network, which helped it become a fleet favorite across various industries. Its cab structure, complete with dual-pane wraparound glass and a large, upright windshield, became a visual hallmark of the era, helping Ford maintain its image as a practical and forward-thinking manufacturer. Historically, the C-600 played a crucial role in shaping regional distribution and light commercial logistics in the United States. It represented the middle tier of Ford's truck lineup, sized larger than the FC pickups but smaller and more agile than full-size semi-tractors. Its reliability and modular frame meant it was used for everything from box delivery to utility services, often running well past its expected service life. While it never reached the fame of Ford's muscle cars or heavy-duty tractors, the C-600 carved out a respected legacy as a dependable workhorse in the heart of America's post-war economic expansion. Looking ahead, the 1962 Ford C-600 holds strong potential as a platform for Restomod and EV conversion projects. With classic tow trucks gaining collector status, builders are increasingly fitting them with modern power, upgraded suspensions, and electric drivetrains, reviving their iconic looks for the 21st century. Whether restored to original glory or transformed into futuristic cruisers, the C-600's clean lines and utilitarian charm ensure it remains a symbol of functional American design with timeless appeal and renewed purpose. In the evolving world of custom and electric classics,